You show 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 tea packs of tea. You only have to remove 1, remove 2, the blue one. Snap the finger! The waiter has again 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 tea packs, including the yellow, the red, the blue, the black, and the green. Let me show you something that happened to me days ago. I went to a bar to drink a cup of tea. I called to the waiter, and when he came to me, he showed me 5 tea packs of tea to choose one. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Black, red, yellow, blue, and green. To choose one, different colors, different flavors. And I chose the black one. He removed it, and surprisingly, when he snapped the fingers, the waiter had again 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 tea packs of tea, different colors, different flavors, including the black one. I was surprised. He went to other table, and I kept my eyes on him, and he continued doing again the same to the customer, showing 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 tea packs. He removed 1, and in this case, removed 2. And when he snapped the fingers, he had again 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 tea packs of tea, including the yellow and the blue again. And in this moment I could confirm that he was a magician, of course. And he continued doing again the same over and over again, showing 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 tea packs. Removing 1, removing 2, and guess what? When he snapped the fingers, the waiter had again 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 tea packs of tea. I stood up and went to him and I said, sorry, it caught my attention and I am astonished with the fact I am a magician. Could you show me again the fact? And he said, yes, of course, I am a magician too. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 tea packs. I could remove 1. He said, I could remove 2. Stop. Could you remove 3? And he said, yes, of course, I could remove 3. And when I snapped my fingers, I have again 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 tea packs with different colors, different flavors of tea. I'm astonished, I said. And he said, yes, but I had a problem. What? Yes, I have a problem because if I remove 1, 2, 3, and 4, the trick doesn't work. I said, sorry, no problem, my friend. I could help you. I am a magician. First of all, you have to relax, open the pack, remove a tea bag, drink a tea, and after that, snap your fingers to get the money to buy more tea in the supermarket. Same colors, different flavors of tea. And that's it. Bye-bye.